Good day, everyone. Today I will discuss the nature of mathematics. How is mathematics related to nature? Mathematics seek to discover and explain abstract patterns or regulate of all kinds. Visual patterns in nature find explanations in Chou's theory, fractals, logarithmic spirals, topology, and other mathematical patterns. L system from convincing models of different patterns of tree growth. Next, patterns in nature are visible regardless of form found in the natural world. These patterns occur in different contexts and can be sometimes be modeled mathematically. So normal patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, meanders, waves, tessellation, cracks, and tripes. Early Greek philosophers studied pattern with Plato, Pythagoras, and Empedocles attempting to explain order in nature. The modern understanding of visible patterns developed gradually over time. In the 19th century, the Belgian physicist Joseph Plato explained soap film, leading him to formulate the concept of a minimal surface. The German biologist and artist Ernst Haeckel painted hundreds of marine organisms to emphasize their symmetry. Scottish biologist Darry Thompson pioneered the study of growth patterns in both plants and animals, showing that simple equation called explains spiral growth. In the 20th century, the British mathematician Alan Turing predicted mechanism of morphogenesis which gave rise to pattern of spot and stripes. The Hungarian biologist Aristide Lindenmayer and the French-American mathematician Bionet Mandelbrot showed how the mathematics of fractal could create plants growth patterns. And that's all. Thank you.